welcome back to the channel. It is your favorite girl Anastasia, and your girl is back again with another hair video. You guys, can you see this beautiful hair that is on my head right now? You guys, this hair is just giving every single thing. This hair is just giving autumn vibes. Like, it is so beautiful, you guys. Today's video is sponsored by my old friend ULAHAIR. So ULAHAIR sent me their new feather crochet hair. Okay, this is a Burmese coily hair, and they sent it to me in the color number 4. I think this is color number 4. I'm not so sure, but I'm going to have all the details on the screen. The color is just everything. The color, the curls, you guys, this is so cute. You guys, this is so cute. So if you guys want to see how I installed this beautiful hair, then you need to watch my video to the end. And also, I'm going to be doing a little bit of unboxing where I show you guys all the goodies that came with this hair. Okay, so you guys, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and let's just dive right into today's video.
Alright guys, like I said earlier, today's video is sponsored by ULAHAIR, and these are all the goodies that came with this hair. Everything is giving what it is supposed to give, and this is just like the manual on how to use your hair. So this hair comes in 2 bundles. As you guys can see, the color is so beautiful, and there are 5 rings in a bundle, and this is more than enough for your full hair. So a week before I went ahead to do the crochet, I went ahead to do this I went ahead to like cornrow my hair in such a way that I would be able to crochet my hair easily. And I didn't do the crochet on this day because I knew that if I went ahead to do it, it would hurt me a lot because my cornrows are still pretty much new year. So I had to go back a week after when my cornrow was a little bit older, so my scalp won't hurt me. And you guys can see how the hairstylist is attaching the crochet on my hair. This is pretty simple. Anybody can do this style. It is really easy to do, and I focused on the front of my hair because this is what people would see. I used 1 bundle on the front part of my hair and another bundle at the back. This is really easy to install. I really love the color on of this crochet hair. It is just so pretty and it fits my skin so well. So I'm going to allow you guys watch the remaining part of the video because I believe everything is self-explanatory. So I'll see you later.
Alright guys, so I'm going to come closer so that you guys can see how this looks like. So this is how it looks like. Guys, can you see? This is how it looks like. And I saw where some other influencers, how they use their crochet. They did their crochet in such a way. I'm going to insert a video that the crochet covered the front part of the hair, but I think my braider didn't know how to do it, and I didn't know how to do it either, so I just did the normal crochet. But there is a way that you can cover up the front part of your hair so that your braids don't show that much. But other than that, this is so pretty. I found a way to cover up the front part of my hair if I don't want to wear it up like this. I'm just going to use my headband. You guys, if I use my headband, it is going to cover up the front, and it is also going to give it another style So let's see how this is going to look like when I use my headband. That is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And ULA Hair, thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful Burmese coily feather crochet hair. It is giving what it is supposed to give. You guys ate with this color. This color goes so well with my skin tone, with my top. Like, I am ready for autumn right now. This is so beautiful. ULA Hair, thank you guys so much for sending me these beautiful units. And you guys, make sure you use my code. My code is going to be on the screen. Make sure you use my code so that you can save some money. Click the link in my description box. It is going to take you to ULA website. There you are going to put my discount code, and then you can save some money. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye guys.